In this video, you will learn how to add, edit, customize and remove markup from Microsoft Excel graph. Currently, you can see here I have inserted a line graph and I have inserted markers here. Later on, I have customized these markers according to my choice. You will learn how to add inbuilt markers of Microsoft Excel and customize them. In addition, you will also learn how to create your own markers. So let's start this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In the separate sheet, I have already entered the data. Firstly, I will generate a line graph. I will select this data. After selecting this data, go to Insert option. And here is the option of line graph. Click here. You have two options. You can insert line graph with marker or without marker. For example, I will choose this one. Now you can see here I have inserted line graph without marker. Now I am interested to insert line graph with markers. I will again select this data, go to Insert option, again go to this line graph option, and here is the option of line graph with marker, so I will choose this one. If you are interested to remove the marker from line graph, you can change the chart type. For example, go to Insert option, and from here go to line option, and you can choose this option, line graph without marker. And if you are interested to insert marker, you can choose this one. Now I will click here, right click, go to Format Axis option, and from here I will change minimum value to 100. I will close this one. Now you will learn how to customize these markers. Click on any marker. Now you can see here whole data series is selected. It is indicated by these small circles. After selecting the data series, place your cursor on that particular data series and right click. Here is the option of Format Data Series. Select this one. Now here is the option of Fill and Line. Select this one. Here are two options, line and marker. Choose marker option. Again go to this marker option. Now I will explore these options one by one. I will select built-in option. From here you can select any marker type. For example, I will choose this one. From here you can adjust the size. I will choose 8. Now I will scroll down. Here is the option of fill. It's mean fill of this marker. For example, I will choose solid fill, and from here I can select the color. I will select red one. Now you can see here color is changed now. I will again change this one. Now you can easily observe that color is changed now. If I scroll down, here is the option of border. I will choose solid line with black color. Now you can see here border is inserted here. If I further scroll down, here is the option of width of this border. You can increase or decrease the width of border. Here is the option of compound type. Select this one. You can choose this line option. Here is the option of dash type of border. You can choose any one. So you can use any options according to your requirement. Now I will close this one. Now you will learn how to change only one marker from data series. Again click on any marker. Now you can see here whole data series is selected. Again click on that particular marker. Right click. Go to Format Data Point option. Go to Fill and Line option. Here is the option of marker. Go to marker option, and from here you can customize it. For example, I will increase the size. Now you can see here the size of only one marker is changed. Similarly, if I go to fill option, solid fill, and I will change color, then you can easily observe that only that particular marker color is changed. Now we will explore other options. If you are interested to change the marker type of second data series, click here. Now you can see here this data series is selected. Place your cursor here and right click. Go to Format Data Series option and go to this Fill and Line option. Here is the option of build-in. From here I will choose marker, square. I will increase its size. Now scroll down, we will explore other options. Here is the option of gradient fill. You can select this option, and from here you can select preset gradients. You can select type, and here is the option of gradient stop. You can also use them and customize them according to your requirement. Here is the option of color. You can choose any color. Now if you are interested in pattern fill, go to fill option, and here is the option of pattern fill. Select this one. From here you can choose any pattern. For example, I will choose this one. If I scroll down, here is the option of color. You can choose any color according to your requirement. Now you will learn how to create your round marker. Go to insert option, and here is the option of illustrations. Select this one. From here go to shape option. You can select any shape according to your requirement. For example, in this case I will select star. I will draw a star here. After that you can customize this star according to your requirement. For example, I will change the shape fill to red and shape outline black. After that again select this shape, right click, copy this one, and again click here, right click and paste it as a picture. Here is the option of paste as picture. Click here. Now I will again select this one, right click and copy this one to your clipboard. Now I will select third data series. Click here, place your cursor here and right click. Go to Format Data Series option. Again go to Fill and Line option. Go to marker and marker options. Now I will go to fill option, and here is the option of picture or texture fill. Select this one. I have already copied this one on clipboard, so I will select clipboard. Now you can observe that our customized marker is inserted here. Now go to this marker option and select build in. From here I will increase its size. Now you can see a star is inserted here. In addition, you can also insert picture according to your choice. For example, I will go to this fill option. From here I will choose picture or texture fill, and from here I will go to this insert option. From a file, I will select this picture, click on insert. Now you can see here our picture is inserted here. Similarly, if you go to this insert option, you can find other option. You can use stock image of Microsoft Excel, online picture as well, or from icon. You can use any option. So by following this video, you can easily insert, remove, customize or edit marker according to your choice. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.